So, muscle contraction occurs due to the sliding filament theory. According to this theory, muscles shorten because thin actin filament slide past thick myosin filament, increasing their overlap. The basic fundamental unit of muscle contraction is the sarcomere, which consists of actin filaments, myosin filaments, and myosin heads. The structure of this sarcomere in the relaxed muscle, actin and myosin filaments partially overlap. Actin is the thin filament, while myosin is the thick filament with projecting myosin heads. The myosin heads are responsible for forming cross bridges with actin during contraction. When a nerve impulse reaches the muscle fiber, calcium ions are released inside the cell. Calcium binds to regulatory proteins on actin, exposing the binding sites for myosin heads. At the same time, ATP provides the energy required for muscle contraction. The myosin heads attach to the exposed binding sites on the actin filaments, forming cross bridges. This connection allows the myosin heads to pull the actin filaments toward the center of the sarcomere. Using energy from ATP, the myosin heads perform a power stroke, pulling actin filaments inward. As a result, the sarcomere shortens and the muscle contracts. Importantly, the lengths of actin and myosin filaments do not change, only their degree of overlap increases. A new ATP molecule binds to the myosin head, causing it to detach from actin. The cycle then repeats as long as calcium ions and ATP are present. This repeated cycle of attachment, pulling, and detachment leads to continuous muscle contraction. In summary, muscle contraction occurs due to the sliding of actin filaments over myosin filaments. This sliding mechanism shortens the sarcomere and generates force, resulting in muscle movement.